Hello guys, welcome to the eTabs tutorial. So now we have opened our eTab software. So go to new model or you can open your existing model, right? So I'm going with the new model. So I'm using built-in settings, click on OK. So we are taking the grid only. So number of storage 4, click on OK. So here we have to select all storage so that if you define any properties, it will assign to all the floors, right? So now we have to define our materials. Go to define, go to material properties. So add a new material. Go to India. For the steels, we have to select the rebars. So I'm taking the 4 and 5. Click on OK and OK. So the material is added. Again, go to this and now we have to select concrete. Taking M20, click on OK and OK. Click on OK. Our material is added. So now we have to define our properties, right? So go to section properties, frames. So delete all these unnecessary files. Now go to add new property. Select our concrete rectangular structure. So I'm taking S1. So taking material as M20. So go to this K reinforcement details. Click on column. Select here HYST 4 and 5. So rectangular and confined bars of tiling parts. Click on OK. So here we have to select our depth. Taking as 12 inches. With this 9 inches. Now click on OK. So again go to new property, select rectangular and this as beam, material as 120. Select the reinforcement, select the beam only. Here HYST 4 and 5. Click on OK. So here we are going to take. We have done our defining of beams, columns and slab. So now we will assign them to our structure. So here we can see the draw column, right? Select this one and in the property we have to select our column 1. So we have to drag over like this. So now all our columns have been assigned to our structure. So in this 3D we can see. So now go to draw beams. Select this to our beam. Now drag, hold, select all the structures. So now we have assigned this, right? So now we have assigned all our beams and columns. So now we have to assign our slabs. So for that we can use these commands. So I'm selecting quick draw floors. So this is our slab one type, or else we can also select like this. So it has assigned to all our slabs. So now we need, so if we see here our base also assigned the slab. So we don't need this slab. So for that we have to go to select and go to deselect and go to properties and go to slab sections. Deselect this one. So we go to storage. So select the base one. Select. So it has selected. Click on delete. So like that we can select right. So after that we need to add the loads. For that go to define, go to load patterns. So here we have all the load patterns. So now we have to select, now we have the dead load and live load, right? So we will select the wind load. So IS code is IS 875 1987. We will go WX add new load, and next we are going to take this wind load, dead load and live load, right? You can modify this. So if you go here, we can also adjust all these terrains, which category it occurs, how many storage space, everything. So click on OK and OK. So we have defined our patterns. Right now we'll go to load cases. Here we have all this. Now go to define. We have load combinations. You can add any combinations also. So now we need to add the diaphragm for this, right? And supports also. So for that go to assign joint restraints. Select the pinned one and click on OK. So it is joint, right? So now again go to assign joint and diaphragm. Select the D1, apply. We have to select our object, right? Select this and close. So we are unable to see in 3D diagram. So for that we have to go this check mark. So select the diaphragm extent and all this. Apply to all windows, apply and OK. So here we can see the diaphragm, right? So now we need to assign the loads, right? Go to frame, section properties. So go to assign frame section properties. Select the C1. Okay, close, right? So here we have the frame loads, right? Go to frame load, select the distributed. So for that, firstly we have to go to select and go to properties, frame sections, select the C1 beam and columns. So columns are selected, so select here dead load, add the existing loads. So it should be our self-weight, right? So we need to calculate for this, right? One and three, so apply and select the beams, go to assign, go to frame loads, distributed, add existing load, apply. So now again go to assign, joint loads, frame loads, distributed. Select this as live load. We will take test 3, existing load, select the beams, apply, and OK. So now again go to assign, then loads, now we have to select shell loads, uniform. So for that you have to go to select, properties, slab sections, go to slab 1, select, all the slabs are selected, go to get load, go to live load of -3, existing load, from apply, and OK. So now we need to add the window. So for that we have to select our whole structure, go to assign. So here we have some we need to define. So go to frame joint loads, go to frame loads, shell loads. Here we have windows option, right? So we will take a 0.8. On apply and OK. So we are done with our application of loads to our structure. And OK. So again go to edit, designs to add, select the storage 3, apply, and OK. So here we can see the pink color, right? So edit, add design strip, storage 2, apply, and OK. Then go to edit, add design strips, storage 1, G1 is X, Y, and B, apply, and OK. So we are done with. So now we have to press on check model. So we are going to check our models with joint, frames, and the frame checks, shell overlaps. We're going to check for all this. Click on OK. So it will automatically check for the whole design, right? So now one image is ready. Now we can go to analysis and check the load cases to run, right? Or else you can go to run analysis. We have to save our model, then only it will run the analysis. So here we can see the storage is running analysis. So analysis part has done, right? And done. So if you go to display, go to deformed shapes. Now go to deformed shapes. So here you can select all load patterns, right? Wind load. Okay, so this is a, you can see the animation, right? So if you see here, so this is the animation due to our wind load. So if you go to display, go to different shapes, and you take live load and click on OK. So this start the animation. So this is the direction for this go to the live loads. So this is if we keep your units, so it will be our metric, right? So this is how we can design a building in ADAPT software. So we have defined all the materials. So this is the diaphragm. So this is the center part where the loading is mentioned. So this is also the concrete design. So we can also design this. We will see in the next video. Thank you.